Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by verifying the target Samsung SSD and firmware so the tool can write boot sectors correctly. Once done, back up irreplaceable files and free a minimum of 10% drive space to avoid allocation errors. Then launch Samsung Data Migration as administrator. This ensures permission to copy system partitions. Select the source disk and the Samsung target and click Start. You're taking these steps to preserve bootability and partition alignment, which speeds OS performance after the move. You now choose the clone mode, full disk if you need all partitions, or system only to keep just the OS and bootloaders. This affects partition table copying and boot records. Make sure to temporarily disable BitLocker and stop non-essential services so files aren't locked mid-copy. Click Start and monitor the progress bar. Cloning time depends on used data size and SATA/USB speed. If you see stalled disk activity, pause and check connections. A stable transfer preserves integrity and keeps the SSD. You finish by shutting down and either swapping the drives or changing BIOS/UEFI boot priority to the Samsung SSD so the system boots from the new disk. Boot into Windows and confirm partitions and free space, then run Samsung Magician to confirm trim and health status. If the OS won't boot, make sure SATA mode is OSI not IDE, and use Windows Recovery to repair the bootloader. This resolves missing boot records. That single troubleshooting step fixes most post-clone boot problems quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.